In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Siteground Cpanel. While Siteground no longer uses the classic cPanel, everything you need now lives inside Site Tools. I'll show you exactly where to click so you can reach the same controls for files, security, and backups with confidence. Start by opening a browser and heading to My Siteground. Sign in if asked, and you'll land in your account area. From here, open the website section. This is where all your hosted sites are listed in one place, which makes it easy to pick the right project. Find the site you want to work on and choose Site Tools. That takes you straight into Site Tools, which replaces the old cPanel. At first, you'll see the dashboard. This page gives you a quick overview, health checks, usage stats, and shortcuts to common tasks. It's a great place to confirm you're working on the right site and to spot any alerts before you dig deeper. Next, click Site in the left-hand menu. This section centralizes essential site links and paths, so you always know where key resources live. If you're ever unsure where to begin, return here to reorient yourself. When you need to handle files directly, open File Manager. This is your browser-based way to navigate folders like public.html, upload or download files, rename items, and edit code. Tip: make a quick backup or download a copy of a file before editing it, and avoid changing permissions unless you know what they do. For protective settings, head to Security. Here you'll find options relevant to certificates, access rules, and other safeguards depending on your plan. Use this space to tighten access and keep your site safe. Finally, open Backups. This is where you can view available restore points and create on-demand backups if your plan allows. Restoring from here can roll a site back to a known good state, which is incredibly helpful before big updates or troubleshooting. Always verify the backup date and scope so you restore exactly what you intend. And that's it. My SiteGround, websites, site tools, dashboard, site, file manager, security, and backups. The modern path to what used to be called cPanel. With these areas, you can manage content, protect your site, and recover quickly if something goes wrong. Pause the video as you follow along, and use the built-in search and site tools if you need to jump straight to a feature. You now know where everything lives in SiteGround's interface and how to get there confidently.